Yeah. Hi everyone, my name is Pawan Kumar Shahani. Today we will discuss about the Microsoft Power BI. Means I will be telling you and showing you what exact Power BI and what is the advantage of use of Power BI. Why you should go for Power BI or why we should use Power BI. Though let us see that one by one. What is Power BI? I will tell you the definition of Power BI in two ways. First is Power BI is a business intelligence tool which help you to analyze your data, to clear your data, and it convert your data into the visual form where you will or you can create different reports and dashboard with the help of that. This is a business intelligence tool. The next one, Power BI is a collection of different tools. Power BI is a collection of different tools. It's one of Power Query. Power Query is a ETL tool. Means it help you to extract, to transform, to load your data. Means with the help of that tool you can easily clean up your data. The second one is a Power Pivot. It used for the data modeling. Means in Power BI you import data from many data resources. That Power Pivot manage that data, manage the relation between that data sources. The next one is Power View. It is the visualization tool. With the help of that you will create the 250 plus visuals, means different charts, and it will use for presentation. The chart it will use for the presentations. Means with the help of that you can easily create the different dashboards. Okay, most important means after creating visual you want to share that visual with your client, your customer, right? There is a Power BI service. It is an online platform. With the help of that you can share your dashboard with the different peoples sitting across the world. Means you can share that report with your client. Okay, this is about the Power BI. It's collection of different tools because here is different. You can see the different tools. Means Power Query, Power Pivot, Power U, Power BI service. These are different tools. This collection of tools. The next one is the why should go for the Power BI. I will give you the 4 to 5 reasons. With the help of that you will get clarity on it. Right? Let us see that one by one. Okay. First is search volume in Google. In Google there is one website, means Google Trend. With the help of that you will get clarity on. You will get means the interest time information about the search term. Here is our search term is Power BI. We search for the Power BI. We want to see the interest for the past 5 years in Word. If you see here, means this blue is a graph of Power BI. Means if you see here is the last 5 years information. Means if you 17, 18, 20, 21. Means in last this 4 year, the interest of people is continuously increasing. Increase year by year. If you check the graph is increasing year by year. If you in compared to the 2017, in 2018 the people interest is increased. Same thing in 2020, in 2021 it reached the peak point. Means 100, there was the peak point. If you understood that the Power BI interest is increasing continuously, year by year it will increase. People want to know about Power BI. People searching about Power BI on internet and try to understand what is Power BI. Okay. In the next, I try to compare the another tool with the Power BI, means table with the Power BI. When I compare table with Power BI, you can see here, for the last 5 years in India. I select one country here, India. I am from India. Here you see the red line is for the Tableau and blue line for the Power BI. If you see the red line is constant, if you see the constant, and in year 2020 it goes down, right? And if you see for the Power BI, the blue line, if you see it's year by that it increase, it go up, right? It goes up, right? And in 2020 it's compared with the Tableau. It's compared with Tableau, right? It's compared with Tableau. I try same thing for the Germany. If you see here in Germany, the Power BI compared to the Tableau Power BI, people interest more in Power BI compared to Tableau here. Here is also reach the peak point here, right? And the last one country is Russia, right? All people know about Russia because due to the war situation, Ukraine and Russia, you know about the Russia. In Russia, if you see the in Russia, the same thing here. Means people interest more in the Power BI compared to the Tableau. This is the first reason. The second one is the cost of Power BI. If you compare Power BI with another BI tool, means the Power BI, it is the cheapest tool compared to the other Power BI tool. Means it is per user cost is very less, hardly $10. And if you go for the bulk quantity, then the cost will go down. And the next one is maximum number of features. If you compare Power BI with another BI tool, the Power BI having 1200 different functions. Means you can write the DAX function and M function in the Power BI. Means 1200 DAX function and M function in Power BI. You also create the different charts, means 280 charts in Power BI, and with the help of chart you will create the different dashboard. It is helpful for the dashboard. If you compare this with the another tool, then you will not get that much features in the another tool. And the next one is data connectivity. In Power BI, have capability to import data for the 100 different data resources, such as you import data from the Excel, from the big data, from Oracle, from SharePoint, and different cloud platform easily, very easily. The last reason why you should go for the Power BI is the recognized by the Gartner. Right? The Gartner is a company which compared the all BI product in the market, and after the comparing, they launch one report year by year. In each year, they launch one report. If you see the magic corner quadrant here, the in leadership column, the Microsoft is the leader here. Means at the top, you can see it, right? Top. Means from that 5 reasons, you will get clarity on that. Why should go for the Power BI? Okay, friends. Means the popularity of Power BI. Means if you will get the expertise in Power BI, you get hand-on. If you get the expertise in Power BI, you will get job in all over the world, each and every country. What we can do, you can easily means how Power BI works. You can understand it very easily. Means Power BI desktop is one of the developer software. In that, with the help of the below tools, means the Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View, with the help of that, you can easily analyze your data. You can clear your data. Means you will remove the error from the data, and in that Power BI will convert that data into the visual format. In visual format, right? in Visual Point. With the help of that data, in Power View, you will create the different charts, and you can create the different dashboard with the help of that. And that dashboard, after the creating the dashboard, you want to share the dashboard with your different clients or the different people sitting across the world. With the help of Power BI service, you can do it very easily. Means Power BI service is an online platform. With the help of that, you will easily share your report with your client or different people sitting across the world. This is about the Power BI people. This is about the Power BI. Friends. If you in next few weeks, I will launch my complete Power BI course. If you are interested, then please subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook and LinkedIn. If you subscribe my channel, then you will get the notification of my course easily. When I upload that video on YouTube, you will get the notification of that, and you will you will learn from that. Means you will learn from that courses. Bye bye friends.